This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Spacious family home with over 2,500 square feet, situated on a large lot with a fabulous workshop. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features a large open living, dining, and kitchen area. All new interior doors and fresh paint throughout. There is also a large add-on that makes a great office, game room, or could be used as an additional bedroom. Step into the oversized backyard where you'll find a workshop with 2,000 square feet of space. All of this on a secluded cul-de-sac with no rear neighbors. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.